Welcome back to this channel. So we have tried tons of different makeovers and today we are going to be doing Trixie Mattel. So one thing you guys probably don't know about me is that I'm absolutely dead serious about this look. I am confident that I am going to look just as good, if not better. I think already you can tell I have not used enough glue. They do not look purple. So some of you may be wondering, why is she doing this tutorial? Is it to get out of her comfort zone? Is it to try new makeup techniques? And really, it's because
this channel is dead.
Or you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
So I'm going to make it my mission to bring this channel back to life. If it takes me recreating every single popular YouTube video, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, this is doing exactly why I should have glued my eyebrows down more.
Stephanie from Maybelline, and they'll be like,
And they're crooked, so we have to fix this. Can't. This is going as bad as I thought it would.
I am going to look just as good, if not better.
But this is the lightest concealer that I have. I'm gonna cry. I'm just gonna start crying. So sorry. To make this brighter, and then we need to concealer down the nose. Good. I love it. So as you can see, I am a professional makeup artist. If you had any questions about it, I hope now it's confirmed that I'm in fact
really talented makeup artist.
I think I'm blending the wrong way. I think I want it to be the other way around. Are you shocked? Are you surprised? Surprised it looks this good? I have a face for this. This is my desperate attempt to revive this channel.
So I just cut the espresso pots open, put them in a regular old coffee maker. Literally, you could do that. The only problem with these regular coffee makers is I have no idea how much water to add. Because if you add too much water, it's like watered down. Don't add enough water. It doesn't make as many cups. Anyway, it's really complicated. I can't think. That dream changed my life. I literally woke up and I was like, why can't that be me?
All right, we're back. We're gonna just keep going.
when did the hurt begin?
When did the
Set
hurt
it and
begin?
forget it, because I want to forget this experience.
I want to set it and forget it because I want to forget this experience. I have to fix the brows a little bit more, so just keep watching. I turned this into a 4-part episode. Listen, at this point, I'm so desperate for attention. I want to get hired as a makeup artist. Okay, we messed up the eyes a little. We're gonna have to fix that. But, you know, I think we had to fix them anyway. We knew they weren't going that good. Just keep... This makeup is going to be savable, I think. And I'm just gonna keep messing this up if I keep working it. So we need to know when to put the pencils down. When to put it down. You just, sometimes you gotta give up. You just gotta embrace the fact that you're not good at it.
If you had any questions about it, I hope now it's confirmed that I'm really talented makeup artist.
But I really do want to blame the makeup and say that it's not my fault. At this point, I do have an entire eyeshadow palette on my face, so. Sadly, the next step is to powder my face, and unfortunately, I got rid of all of my powder because I thought I wouldn't need it, and I do need it. So we're just gonna have to use some eyeshadows and be a little crafty. So we're gonna take some white eyeshadow.
Bye, kids. Bye. like it right in this area.
But if this doesn't work, I will throw myself out that window right there.
This is going to be really sad, but I do not have a white eyeliner at all. So this could be the end of it. But what we're going to try really hard is to make our own out of the lightest concealers and some white eyeshadow. All right, that's not going to work. Apparently, white eyeshadow has absolutely no pigment to it. And I threw away my NYX Milk eyeliner 5 years ago. That was a mistake. Okay, we're just gonna have to work. She's just gonna have to work a little bit harder for her money today. This is not supposed to be like this. Okay, now we're going to have to switch to the black. And I think that this black liner will come off easiest. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use black on the top, and this is gray. So you ruined it. We're just gonna have to go over the entire thing with this black liquid, which is good. You know, the good thing about this is I actually have a lot of makeup that I don't ever use. So this is a great way to use that makeup metaphor. Now that it looks like we punched ourselves in the face several times, why did I choose to do blue and red? I don't know. Just keep going with it. I'm literally tempted to just get out acrylics. Should we put acrylics on my face? I'm back. Okay, so I had to go and get this wet. I just ran it under water just to get it a little more wet because it did run out. This area right here is supposed to mimic more of an eye. So I think it is really important that it's white. That's as bright as we can get her. Okay, just don't look close. Just don't look close at all. Just look far away. We don't need to see how this makeup looks up close. Oh, good job, though. Is it time for lashes? No. Okay, now we're doing the lips. And I do actually have the same lip liner that she uses. It's NYX and Natural. Mahogany. A lot like how I normally draw my lips then, you know. I do really like this color. Mahogany. My eyes are actually burning so bad right now. Probably well, it could be because I used really incredibly cheap eyeshadow and shoved it into my eyeball. That could be it. And yeah, let's not comment on the eyeshadow because it is horrendous. We know it. We can start putting the eyelashes on. So this is just going to be a lot of eyelashes stacked on top of eyelashes stacked on top of eyelashes. I only have these small ones, so we're just gonna have to go with it. We're just gonna have to put them all on top of each other. I don't care how much it takes. I don't care. Okay, I am gonna be honest with you guys. This is the hour of, you know, I don't think it's gonna come together. I don't want to let you all down, but I don't think it's gonna come together for me. And it's like the final steps and you just got to give it all. And also, I'm crying because I think I got too much makeup in my eyeballs. So, just hard, you know. It's just it's harder than I thought it would be. I kind of like this, so I'm going to do a few more like individual cluster lashes. I honestly don't know what I was thinking with the bottom lashes. And I don't even know if I put them in the right spot. And, yeah, so I suck, not good at this, but you know, she tried, and literally this looks so bad. So I'm gonna go cry. Just kidding. I'm gonna go get a wig. I only have 2 wigs that I think, well, none of them are gonna work because they're not big enough, and I know that. And I think they're gonna cut too much of my face off. Yeah, so this is, she is awful. Oh, sexy. Maybe I'll just do like a Pam Andy. I don't like this. This is a little bit better. Wasn't intending on doing Pam Anderson today, but she showed up anyway. I clip this up. I will say that this wig is a lot like me. It's cheap and she hasn't been out of the house in 3 months. Wanted to do better, but you know, this is all she can give. And I love that my real hair is sticking out of the top. Let's do bangs. No, I don't think bangs would be right. Okay guys, that is the end of this tutorial, and I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys are going to subscribe and let me know in the comments down below what other videos you would like me to make. Okay? Okay. Ooh, I mean, parts of this are so pretty, like really pretty, that it's scaring me how pretty I am. And then other parts are like awful.